Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about 15 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar, a guide to eating clean and healthy. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Additionally, the mention of specific foods in this video does not constitute endorsement or recommendation by the author or publisher. What are the benefits of eating low-carb, low-sugar foods? Low-carb and no-sugar diets are growing in popularity as many people realize the benefits of healthy and clean eating. These types of diets help in promoting a healthier lifestyle and can also lead to healthier weight loss. Eating a low-carb, low-sugar diet can have a number of benefits for overall health. One of the main benefits is weight loss. By reducing the amount of carbohydrates and sugar in the diet, calorie intake is also reduced, which can lead to weight loss. Low-carb and low-sugar diets can also promote feelings of fullness, which can help with weight loss by reducing the urge to snack on high-calorie foods. Another benefit of low-carb, low-sugar diets is improved blood sugar control. Carbohydrates and sugar can cause blood sugar levels to spike, which can be harmful for people with diabetes. By reducing the amount of carbohydrates and sugar in the diet, blood sugar levels can be kept stable, which can help prevent the development of diabetes and other blood sugar-related conditions. Low-carb and low-sugar diets can also reduce the risk of heart disease. High levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease. Low-carb and low-sugar diets can improve heart health by reducing the levels of these blood lipids. Low-carb and low-sugar diets can also increase energy levels. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation, the body's energy levels can be increased, which can lead to improved physical and mental performance. In addition, low-carb, low-sugar diets can improve brain function by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of new brain cells. Studies have shown that low-carb and low-sugar diets can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Overall, low-carb, low-sugar diets can lead to better health by reducing the risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. It can also improve blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. It is important to note that it is always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. 15 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Number 1. Meat. Beef, chicken, pork, and other meats are all excellent sources of protein and healthy fats, but they contain no carbs and no sugar. Number 2. Fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and halibut are also great sources of protein and healthy fats, with no carbs or sugar. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, with no carbs or sugar. Number 4. Dairy. Dairy products like cheese, butter, and cream are high in fat and protein, with no carbs or sugar. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are high in healthy fats and protein, with no carbs or sugar. Number 6. Avocado. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats and fiber, with no carbs or sugar. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fats, with no carbs or sugar. Number 8. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another great source of healthy fats, with no carbs or sugar. Number 9. Berries. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are low in carbs and sugar, and high in antioxidants. Number 10. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are low in carbs and sugar, and high in vitamins and minerals. Number 11. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower and broccoli are low in carbs and sugar, and high in fiber and antioxidants. Number 12. Cucumber. Cucumber is low in carbs and sugar and high in hydration, making it a great choice for low-carb and low-sugar diets. Number 13. Meat substitutes. Meat substitutes like tofu and tempeh are high in protein and low in carbs and sugar. Number 14, herbs and spices. Herbs and spices such as basil, cumin, and turmeric contain no carbs and no sugar, but they provide a lot of flavor and health benefits. Number 15, water. Water is the best beverage for hydration, and it contains no carbs and no sugar, making it an ideal choice for those following low-carb and low-sugar diets. It is important to note that it is always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. How to incorporate these foods into your diet for maximum health benefits. Here are some ways to incorporate the above-mentioned foods into your diet for maximum health benefits. Meat. Incorporate lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and fish into your diet. Grill, bake or sauté them and pair them with leafy greens or other low-carb, low-sugar vegetables. Fish. Consume at least 2 servings of fish per week. Try to opt for fatty fish such as salmon, tuna or mackerel, as they are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs. Eggs can be eaten for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Try to opt for free-range, organic eggs whenever possible, as they are higher in nutrients. Dairy. Incorporate healthy fats such as cheese and butter into your diet. Use them in cooking or as a topping for vegetables. Nuts and seeds. Keep a small container of nuts and seeds with you for a quick, healthy snack. You can also add them to your salads or oatmeal. Avocado. Use avocado as a spread on sandwiches or toast, or slice it on top of your salads. Olive oil and coconut oil. Use olive oil in cooking, dressings or marinades, and coconut oil for baking or as a spread. Berries. Add berries to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Leafy greens. Incorporate leafy greens into your meals by adding them to your sandwiches, soups, and stir-fries. Cruciferous vegetables. Add cauliflower and broccoli to your meals as a side dish, or blend them into soups. Cucumber. Add cucumber to your salads or eat them as a snack with hummus or guacamole. Meat substitutes. Tofu and tempeh can be used as a meat substitute in stir-fries, soups, or sandwiches. Herbs and spices. Use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead of salt or sugar. Water. Drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated and avoid sugary drinks. It's important to note that it's also important to have a balanced diet, including a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Also, it's important to find what works best for your personal preferences and lifestyle. Consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Start eating clean and healthy today with these 15 powerhouse foods. Eating a diet that is low in carbs and sugar can have many benefits for overall health and wellness. Incorporating these 15 foods, such as meat, fish, eggs, dairy, nuts and seeds, avocado, olive oil and coconut oil, berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, cucumber, meat substitutes, herbs, and spices, and water, into your diet can help you achieve your health goals and improve your quality of life. These foods are not only low in carbs and sugar, but they are also packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to function properly. By using flavorful herbs and spices, experimenting with different cooking methods, incorporating healthy fats, and planning ahead, you can make low-carb, low-sugar meals that are not only delicious but also nutritious. By starting to eat clean and healthy today, you can set yourself on the path to a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching our video on the 15 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, eating clean and healthy doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you'll be taking a step towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell for more great content like this.